In question 2, we are asked to find the value. It's part number 1 we are solving. Question 2, part 1. Value of this expression f of a plus h minus f of a divided by h. Value of this is required. And what is given? F of x is equal to 6x minus 9 is given. Now look student, in this expression, this is f of a. So we convert f of x into f of a. So this implies f of a. We replace x by a. So it is 6a minus 9. The second thing in the required expression is f of a plus h. So we write f of a plus h. X is replaced by a plus h in the function. So what it will be? 6a plus 6h minus 9. Then we write that expression. Required expression is f of a plus h minus f of a divided by h. Now what is it equal to? We substitute its value. F of a plus h is here. This is 6a plus 6h minus 9. We write minus sign. And then we write f of a. F of a is this. F of a is 6a minus 9 divided by, on left side is divided by h, so is right side. We can see this 6a cancels this 6a. One is positive, the other is negative. Last one is minus minus plus 9. So this minus 9 will also cancel with it. H cancels h and 6 is answer. Same thing is to be done for the fourth part. In some books it is third part, in some books it is fourth part. So here the book before me, it is fourth part. Again it is an algebraic function. Required expression is f of a plus h minus f of a divided by h. Again we have to find this. But now function changes. What is given function? F of x is equal to x cube plus 2x square minus 1. We convert it into f of a first. We replace everywhere x by a cube 2a square minus 1. Now we replace x by a plus h. The other thing it implies is f of a plus h is x is replaced in the function, and f of x is replaced by a plus h. So x cube gets the form a plus h cube plus 2x, x is a plus h square minus 1. And then we simplify it as a cube h cube 3a square h 3ah square minus 2a square minus 2h square minus 4ah minus 1. Now this is f of a plus h. Now we write that expression again. F of a plus h minus f of a divided by h. On right side we have to write f of a plus h. This all is f of a plus h. F of a plus h is a cube h cube 3a square h 3ah square 2a square 2h square 4ah minus 1 minus f of a. This is f of a. Three values. A cube sign will get changed due to this minus sign. Minus 2a square and it will become plus 1. Signs are changed. 1 is cancelled. 2a square is cancelled. Positive, negative. 2a square is positive, the other is negative, right? Now a cube cancels a cube. Divided by h. All values in numerator have h. H is taken common. H square, 3a square, 3ah, 2h, 4a divided by h. H is cancelled and remaining is answer. Answer is h square plus 3a square plus 3ah plus 2h plus 4a. This is answer. We continue our work with other functions. F of x is, now this is third part of question 2, where f of x is sin x. We first write that expression whose value is required. So f of a plus h minus f of a divided by h. Whether this expression is required, given is f of x. F of x is sin x. We convert it into f of a. F of a is sin a. The other thing is, from required we see f of a plus h. So we replace x by a plus h. It becomes sin a plus h. Now we substitute. We write that expression f of a plus h minus f of a divided by h, and we substitute values in it. F of a plus h is sin a plus h. Here it is, you can see. Minus f of a is sin a divided by h. So what it will convert into? Sin minus sin is 2 cos sin. First year 10.4 exercise formulas. Sin minus sin 2 cos sin divided by h will be there. But what will be the angle of cos? A sum of these two divided by sum of angles of both sine divided by 2. One is p, the other is q, p plus q by 2. One is p, the other is q, p minus q by 2. Here is cancelled. It can be written as 2 by h cos a plus a 2a. 2a plus h by 2. And here sin h by 2. This can be simplified further. 2 by h cos 2a by 2 if we write separately, 2a by 2. This becomes a, and other value will be h by 2. So we write h by 2. This is angle of cos and sine angle is h by 2. This will be answer. Another part we completed. Another part we have of question number 2, part number 4. Last one, f of a plus h minus f of a divided by h. Value this function is required. And this time, given function is cos x. And the same way we first convert it into f of a is cos a. Also, it takes the form f of a plus h when x is replaced by a plus h. Right side is cos, which has x is a plus h now. Now we write that expression, required expression f of a plus h minus f of a divided by h is equal to, we substitute its value, f of a plus h is cos a plus h minus f of a is cos a divided by h. So answer in this form is not suitable. We have to convert it into another form. Cos minus cos is minus 2 sine from same exercise of part 1 mathematics 10.4 exercise formulas PQ, formulas with angles PQ. Minus 2 sine. So these two angles, both cos have angles a plus h and a. They are added and divided by 2. They are said p plus q by 2, p minus q by, we can see a is cancelled there. It can be written as minus 2 by h and then the 2 sine. Again in the same way, a plus a is 2a by 2 is a plus h by 2. This angle of sine will simplify into this one, a plus h by 2. Then the other sine is with angle h by 2. So this is answer. Question 2 is done.